Here we have another package video review. Let's see, what is it? Let's see, what is this? Mini camping gas stove. Oh wow. So we're going camping, I guess. Well, I'm gonna have to read the instructions for this one. So this attaches to a propane tank, I'm sure. I have one, I don't know if it will fit. It might fit according to these graphics, but I'm gonna check that out. So a camping stove, I'm gonna try that later. So I came here to my favorite skiing resort, El Colorado in Chile, and I brought this portable grill that I got in Miami. I did the unboxing there, but to do a true demonstration when you are on a trip, this is perfect. So here are some instructions. Unfortunately, they're in Chinese completely, so I can read that, but it should be pretty easy. Here's some graphics, so that's easier to understand. So basically what you do is you unfold these flaps. And this is set up. This is the surface where you can put your stuff to cook. And for example, we could use this old style coffee pot. So basically that's it. You can use one of these skillets also to grill. So in order to use it, you need some portable gas. Look at that. But obviously you can't do this. So we're gonna use this little tank, and I'm gonna read the instruction on this first before I mess it up. So to install this wasn't that difficult really either. It's a little click to the left and it should be open, but I guess I need a lighter here because, let me see. Yeah, we have gas there. We need a lighter. Let's get one. So we're gonna do it at the old style with a match. Let me put this on here. Ooh, we got fire. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow, it's pretty amazing. So you get the idea. We can go camping now. Let's turn this off. And again, obviously you will wait till this cools off. Now it's not hot because it was just a couple of minutes, seconds really. Although it got hot actually. So there you have it. This is a pretty amazing piece of equipment for camping, for an emergency. If you have an electric stove and you run out of electricity, you can just pull this out of this little pouch. Let me see if it's still hot. Yeah, it's a little hot still. I'm gonna leave it out and I'm gonna replace again back to its original torch. There it is. Let's do a test. There you go. Wow, this is powerful. So we're ready to go camping. Let's do that. Let's fold this up. There you have it. I really like the product because it's very ingenious, the way it's packed, the way it works, and it can really help you in a camping situation or in an emergency. thumbs up.